Imagine reaching retirement not just comfortably, but with a Roth IRA boasting over $1 million completely tax-free. Today, we're diving deep into the exact 3 exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, that can transform your Roth IRA into precisely that million-dollar machine. But there's a crucial allocation secret, a specific synergy between these funds that 99% of investors miss, jeopardizing their ultimate financial freedom. Stay tuned to unlock this powerful combination. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm your guide to navigating the complexities of investing with clear, actionable strategies. Our mission here is to equip you with the knowledge and tools to build true financial independence, making your money work harder for you. If you're serious about optimizing your wealth and discovering investment insights that actually move the needle, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss our next deep dive into market-beating strategies. Most people understand the power of a Roth IRA, tax-free growth, tax-free withdrawals in retirement. It's an unbeatable vehicle for long-term wealth accumulation. But here's where most people falter. They treat their Roth like a regular brokerage account, simply piling in random stocks or generic low-growth index funds. That's a critical mistake, a missed opportunity for true financial acceleration. To truly leverage the Roth's unparalleled tax advantages, you need strategic assets, specifically high-growth, diversified ETFs designed to compound aggressively without the drag of capital gains taxes eroding your returns. We're talking about unlocking millions, not just thousands. Forget the meager interest rates offered by traditional savings accounts at your local bank. Those barely keep pace with inflation, essentially guaranteeing your money loses purchasing power over time. We are aiming for exponential, life-changing growth inside a tax-sheltered fortress, meticulously engineered for maximum return. This isn't about parking your money, it's about launching it into the stratosphere, securing a future of absolute financial freedom. Our first ETF is the Vanguard Information Technology ETF, ticker symbol VGT. This isn't just another tech fund. It tracks a focused index of U.S. information technology stocks, including giants like Apple and Microsoft, making it a powerful engine for growth. Over the last 10 years, VGT has delivered an average annual return of approximately 21.5%. Let's put that into perspective. The S&P 500, represented by VOO, returned around 12.5% annually over the same period. This 9 percentage points difference might seem small, but over decades it's monumental. Consider investing the maximum Roth contribution, currently $6,500 annually.
If VGT continues its historical performance, after 30 years, that $195,000 contributed could swell to over $7.1 million. That's a staggering 36-fold return, all tax-free. This ETF provides the aggressive, market-beating edge your Roth needs. Next, we introduce the iShares Core S&P 500 ETF, IVV. While VGT gives us hyper-growth in tech, IVV provides the essential broad market diversification and stability, acting as your portfolio's robust backbone. It tracks the S&P 500 index, giving you exposure to 500 of America's largest and most established companies across various sectors. Its 10-year average annual return sits comfortably around 12.5%. While not as explosive as VGT, IVV significantly reduces overall portfolio volatility. Think of it as balancing your high-octane growth with proven resilience. When tech stocks face headwinds, IVV provides a stabilizing force. If you split your $6,500 annual contribution, putting $3,250 into IVV and $2,600 into VGT, the combined average return would be roughly 17%. Over 30 years, this balanced approach could still yield over $2.9 million, demonstrating the power of smart diversification alongside targeted growth. Our third crucial ETF is the ARK Innovation ETF, ARKK. Now, let me be clear. ARKK is a higher risk, higher reward play, but strategically placed in a Roth IRA, its potential for exponential gains is undeniable. ARKK focuses on disruptive innovation in areas like genomic revolution, automation and robotics, energy storage, and artificial intelligence. Its actively managed approach allows it to adapt swiftly to emerging trends, unlike passively managed index funds. While its historical performance has been volatile, with periods of extreme growth and significant drawdowns, its long-term vision aligns perfectly with the Roth's horizon. For example, from 2017 to its peak in early 2021, ARKK soared over 400%. If you allocate a smaller, calculated portion, say 10 to 15% of your annual contribution into ARKK, this small position can act as a powerful accelerator, potentially pushing your portfolio significantly higher during bull cycles in innovation. This isn't for the faint of heart, but for those with a long-term vision in a tax-sheltered account, the payoff could be transformative. Here's the powerful, actionable combination. Allocate 50% of your annual Roth contribution to VGT, 40% to IVV, and 10% to ARKK. Using our current $6,500 annual contribution example, that means $3,250 dedicated to VGT, $2,600 for IVV, and a carefully calculated $650 for ARKK. Let's project this with compelling accuracy. With VGT's historical 21.5% average, IVV's consistent 12.5%, and conservatively assuming ARKK averages 15% over the long term, despite its inherent volatility, your intelligently diversified portfolio could average approximately 17.8% annually.
Sticking to this disciplined strategy for 30 years means you've personally contributed $195,000, but your Roth IRA could balloon to an astonishing $4.3 million. This isn't magic, it's disciplined investing with high-performing, strategically chosen ETFs, meticulously leveraging the tax-free growth of your Roth. Imagine the absolute financial freedom that comes with that kind of capital. This isn't just about saving, it's about building an unshakable financial fortress, far outperforming any paltry interest rate a traditional bank could ever hope to offer. Don't just dream of $1 million retirement, engineer it with this proven, data-backed strategy. Thank you for joining me on this essential journey to financial empowerment. If this breakdown of Roth IRA ETFs provided value, give this video a solid thumbs up. It truly helps us reach more people seeking these crucial insights. Share this video with anyone you know who's serious about their retirement planning. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Dividend Detectives and ring that notification bell so you're always ahead of the curve. Until next time, keep hacking your wealth.